y'all? This is Kitchen Talk, Baton Rouge. Y'all already know I'm Chef 24/7. I got my boy D Mitchell and Big Stay Winning. We're gonna have a special video session with my boy, Mr. Mofo Shots, and my girl Coco Kilo, who couldn't make it to this taping today. And as you can see, we at 31st Century Styles. Y'all already know, aka the LOL Warehouse for those who follow that. So we gonna see a lot of moving around, a lot of action, a lot of stuff going on. It's an exciting place, you know how we do it. So anyway, to start off the show, as always, here go the motto: welcome to the table, where we set up a plate just for you. Sit back and enjoy the knowledge and conversation we're passing around, because the goal of this show is to help you understand the world by understanding your world. So welcome to the Grown Up Table. What's up, folks?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
They summoned me again, so I'm sitting in today. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna kick off the show. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to my boy D Mitch. Let him talk it up. I really ain't got no topic tonight. I'm just here observing and hanging on. So go ahead and kick off the show, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna kick it out real smooth, real smooth. Let's get to basketball. Since I'm a basketball fan, Aisha Curry, you're wrong. First off, I'm gonna say the situation with Aisha Curry, explain it all the way. She was on the show. I don't remember who show it was at the show. Who? Yeah, whatever that is. It was a bunch of women sitting around. Bunch of women around, and she had the nerve to say that she needed more attention from other men when she stepped out in so many words. For me, I feel like she's wrong, because understand, if she had a husband at home that's very disrespectful, that's saying the attention her husband had, it's not enough. It's not fitted. Like, she's not comfortable with what her man doing to keep all the other men from even disrespecting her like that. Hey, little mama, how you doing? Hey, Red. Oh, you Steph Curry, right? Hey, he might got money, but he can't. He like, I can't, like, you know what I'm saying? All that extra stuff. What about you, baby?
I feel like she has the right to feel how she feels. I feel like if she wasn't necessarily a public person, then people would take it and blow it out of place. I mean, men obviously wasn't going to jump to her because of who her husband is, and men do respect a woman's husband. But females do not respect another female's husband. Like, it's not the same, it's not equal, but I do feel like she has the right to have her feelings. I feel like with her being married for so long, and given that she has kids, like, I don't feel like she was saying that she wants the attention just because it'll be an equal playing field, because her husband gets so much attention. Her husband gets attention every day. He is adored by millions all over the world. And to her, she's like, she's a step back, like a regular female and a man. Majority of the time, the females get more of the attention from different people, and the man is just like chilling. But she is in the opposite reverse stage, and she also has to deal with groupies. Groupies are a whole different type of woman. Like, that's not just a regular thought. These people who's making it their way to get to rooms to take their clothes off, and she has insecurities. I feel like she was just sharing her insecurities.
Okay. Good observation. I just feel like we're on platform. Being that she's in the public eye, she should do anything to make it feel like it's okay for another woman to step in that place. Because her saying that she's seeking more attention means her husband's not giving her enough attention.
Right.
And that's totally wrong, because I know Steph Curry, when he's not in a gym, when he's not doing something for Under Armour, he's in his wife's face. He's making her feel like she's the queen that she is, and the queen that she needs to be. Which entitles another woman to feel like, okay, since she's complaining, look, I never complain like that. They open that up.
Right.
You ain't got to never worry about me embarrassing like that. Get in front of Jada Pinkett, which everybody believes that her and her husband is in an open relationship.
Right.
So why would you do that? Like, it's just so many different outcomes and scenarios you can think about in that situation of why she should have said.
I do agree.
I'm not saying she's not wrong for having feelings.
Right.
That's a woman. Everybody want to feel like they still got it, they want it. You know, after so many times you've been committed to one person, you just want to walk outside and be like, yeah, I still got it. Look at him over there, look, check me out. But understand, Steph Curry, he sees it more than she does. He sees men attracted to his wife. Like,
right.
she sees, because Steph Curry, trust me, he focuses on his wife. He's not paying attention to nothing no other woman doing. So the wife see that. But the man, he sees what the other man sees, not his wife. The other man saying, ooh, right. Look at that, ooh. And that makes you feel some type of way. But as a man, you can't be like, man, I hate when my wife gets so much attention. Nah, all you do is just solidify why you the king and y'all castle, and keep pushing forward, keep making her feel like like she's the best queen, the only queen that's for your life. And that's the only way you're gonna make it through with that situation.
I feel like as far as her talking on Red Table Talk and expressing her feelings, yeah, it was a bad timing. That's something more than likely she should have spoke with people in private.
Right.
I do feel like it's kind of like left it open for girls to be like, she don't feel you, like, you know what I'm saying? She don't feel you like I feel you, and it does give a, it gives into men to slide into her DMs and stuff like that. So it did open up a whole different can of worms. I just feel like I'm glad that she said it because a lot of people feel that way, but I'm also like sometimes you gotta shut back up because you gotta roll the punches at the same time. It was something she should have said personally to her own girls, you know, and just keep it at that because now the whole world is debating and talking about this whole situation. So girls and Steph DM and men is in her DMs.
I mean, the thing is, though, we gotta realize when it comes to her wanting that attention, there's nothing wrong with wanting that attention. Cause I kind of get what she was trying to say. She just kind of feel the balance. She's like, you know, why they ain't how trying to look at me. But also at the same time, you invite the attention that you don't, you know. But at the same time, you also have to realize, she has to realize that Steph Curry has money. He plays basketball. He probably got shoes.
Yeah.
He got shoes. He done been MVP or some shit like that. NBA Finals. Nigga can't compete with that. You know what I'm saying? My shit might be longer than my leg. I still can't compete with his financial backing, professional, and all of that. So if a brother can't compete with somebody who has more, they're not gonna really step up to him unless you're weak.
Nah, I'm not disagreeing with that. Because most men, they do think financially when they think about again. But when I'm from Houston, so we believe totally different situation. We believe conversation rule the nation. So it ain't about the money in your pocket. If you got a nice conversation, you have any woman you want. So if Aisha ever come to a playoff and make people step in Houston, she can have it.
I'm not saying that you can't pull. I'm not saying that you can't pull her. I'm saying we less than likely gonna try to holler at them. You know what I'm saying? She already took care of. She already wiped up.
Right. That's why
she's sitting on the top of the fucking mansion somewhere. What the fuck can I do for her besides fucking up?
That's all I'm trying to do.
But
I ain't gonna lie to you.
Right.
Be real.
Right.
But listen, okay, I feel like another bad thing for Aisha Curry is she's made comments in the past about her not showing skin, her reserving for the one who really loves her, and all these different things. So she put herself out there as a one woman type of, a one man type of woman. She put herself out there as conservative and reserved and about her marriage. So people not gonna approach you like that. Like you ain't out here, you know what I'm saying, showing everything you got. Like I feel like people try to highlight Cardi B because she dressed provocative. You know what I'm saying? Aisha Curry, she carries herself to a higher standard, so people were trying to hold her to a higher standard, and all she did was let the world know she did just like everybody else.
Pretty much, yeah. Okay, and Aisha Curry, like, don't get me wrong, that's one of the most beautiful women you can have on your side. Just like Wood had Jada on the side, just like Jay-Z had Beyonce on the side. You know what I'm saying? You got you a real woman that's really got your back down to earth. It's just the statement she made was just at the wrong time. I'm really trying to say. I'm not saying she should feel less of a woman for stating that. I'm just saying she put the wrong visual outfit. Like,
I feel she spoke her mind, but she didn't know what she was doing. She was unaware that she was going to wait to the even because I mean shit. If you look at it, as soon as she said it, I looked at Instagram the next day, all my people from New Orleans was posting stupid stuff. Yeah.
And like
that's stupid stuff.
But that's
hey,
how I feel.
You see this dress? Yeah, I see the man. She had one with the line. Steph Curry, I'm sorry.
But no, this is what I feel like. You know how you were saying like Houston, they'll come to you in straight conversation and try to get you. I feel like people from New Orleans, man, the dude will try to holler at you, but if you put yourself to a certain standard, he gonna try to respect you. But as soon as you let that guard down and show that the getting is good, they gonna try to get you. No matter if you're from New Orleans, Houston, or wherever, like the nigga gonna try to get you once you put your guard down.
That's facts. That's facts. All facts. Well, we get ready to wrap up this session here. We go to our break.
Before we go to the break, if you like this or you have any kind of ideas or you want to comment on this, drop down there below and comment. We want to hear from you. If you like this, you know how to email us, kitchentalkfamily@gmail.com. And put KT backwards so we know that you're talking to us in backwards. Alright, so get ready. We're going to have a musical break. We're going to come back. I'm going to have a special segment with my boy Mofo and more. Check this out. Kitchen Talk Baton Rouge.
Now.
Money how? Fuck being broke, gotta fix this shit. One thing I know better, try to get rich if it don't make that, then it don't make sense. Fuck being broke, ain't with that shit. Fuck being broke, gotta fix this shit. One thing I know better, try to get rich if it don't make that, then it don't make sense.
Started from the gutter, came from nothing. Hustling, now we know. Living check to check, we had the budget. Hustling, now we know. Now I'm out here hawking for them duckies. Hustling, now we know. Cause ballin' feel way better than struggling. Hustling, now we know. Started from the gutter, came from nothing. Hustling, now we know. Living check to check, we had the budget. Hustling, now we know. Now I'm out here hawking for them duckies. Hustling, now we know. Cause ballin' feel way better than struggling. Hustling, now we know. Go to sleep and I wake up with my mind on that paper. Finding ways to get my cake up. Niggas out to take a pay, cause all they wanna do is lay it with these hoes. Fuck wasting time. Need some dimes fine, but it's time to get my weight up. Better serving like a waiter. Think a nigga flipping Skittles, all these motherfucking flavors. Grind like a skater. Started with a nick. Pitched a couple dimes, then I got me a zip. Ran through a few cuties, then I caught me a brick. Built me a house, then I flipped that bitch. Selling green by the acre on some real estate shit. All I do is grind, fuck trying to find a niche. Every day a different hustle, I adapt and I switch. Don't matter which, just take my pick. If it don't make dollars, then it don't make sense. So ironic, came from the gutter, now nigga 50 rich. Being broke, ain't with that shit. Fuck being broke, gotta fix that shit. One thing I know about trying to get rich. If it don't make dollars, then it don't make sense. If I don't know nothing, I know how to get paid. Learned at an early age, found out the hard way. Hoes coming down my dozen, but the money gon' stay. Gon' be that way till they put me in the grave. Started from the gutter, came from nothing. Hustling, now we know. Living check to check, we had the budget. Hustling, now we know. Now I'm out here hawking for them duckies. Hustling, now we know. Cause ballin' feel way better than struggling. Hustling, now we know. Started from the gutter, came from nothing. Hustling, now we know. Living check to check, we had the budget. Hustling, now we know. Now I'm out here hawking for them duckies. Hustling, now we know. Cause ballin' feel way better than struggling. Hustling, now we know. Get up out the bed with my mind on my bread. Brush my teeth, wash my face, then head to the cake. Grind every day cause I don't know no other way. Humble but I'm hungry, so I hustle and I pray. Need meals on my plate like TJ. Get my grass cut low so I can see these snakes. Too real to deal with these counterfeits. Can't affiliate with these fakes. Paper chasing my occupation. No deed on the hustle, over dedicated. Addicted to the money, I've been grinding crazy. Always on the go, my old lady hate it. It would be nice, but I ain't gotta be rich. Just wanna enjoy life before I leave this bitch. So you goddamn right, I'm a motherfucking hustler. All a nigga know is getting dough like a butler. Started from the gutter, came from nothing. Hustling, now we know. Living check to check, we had the budget. Hustling, now we know. Now I'm out here hawking for them duckies. Hustling, now we know. Cause ballin' feel way better than struggling. Hustling, now we know. Started from the gutter, came from nothing. Hustling, now we know. Living check to check, we had the budget. Hustling, now we know. Now I'm out here hawking for them duckies. Hustling, now we know. Cause ballin' feel way better than struggling. Hustling, now we know.
Welcome back. We got myself, Chef 24/7, my special guest, representing your Daddy Black podcast, coming soon this summer with my boy Sorrell Taylor, Mr. Mofo. Shots.
Shout out to my boy Casey Jackson too, man. The funniest man alive. Funnier than Kay Williams. Don't shoot the messenger. Straight up.
That represents Cassius 400.
Straight up.
So speaking of some Cassius, you know, no play off the name, I guess it just sounded good to say. But man, you know they may be legalizing marijuana in Louisiana.
In Louisiana, you think so, bro?
Is a law that's possibly about to get passed. It's not 100% at 50-50. It's 56-40
44 right now in the
56,
poll.
44.
But you know when it's close to that, it normally tips into the lower favor.
Yeah, I can feel that. I can feel that. But whatever they do, just damn, they trying to take away the 10 grams, man.
Man, they trying to regulate everything. If you man, I don't know if you read the news. In Colorado, they actually been trying to legalize shrooms.
They need to. I swear to God, they need to. Man,
I've never did shrooms. That shit scared the fuck out of me.
I'm ready. I'm ready to do them. It's more so of a life experience, man. You gotta be alright with yourself. It's all the shit is healing components, man.
Right.
They say weed is a Schedule 2 drug. I don't believe that shit, man. You know, I guess they try to do such things or put those type of labels on the drugs, man, because it's harmful. Well, I ain't gonna say harmful, but you gotta be a strong motherfucker to do that shit. Now, crack cocaine is a whole different book. That's a whole different jungle book.
Yeah, that's man-made.
You know what I'm saying? That's man-made. But you know, mushrooms and LSD, that shit come from a plant. Just like
LSD
weed.
come from a plant?
Man, that shit come from a plant, man.
Go
Go
like
look.
some more LSD.
Look, let me tell
you.
you. DMT. If you never heard of it, go look it up. Dimethyltryptamine. That shit comes from a plant. Ayahuasca. It comes from a plant.
Knowledge.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna give you too much details about the shit. You're gonna have to go research it yourself. But it's like this. They put those restrictions on them, on those type of things,
So they can regulate.
And it's really a mental opening. It's a mental awakening to who you are. Say this with me. Say this with me. I am. That's it. They don't want you to know who you are.
Say it again for me.
They don't want you to know who you are. Real talk.
I am.
I am.
I like that.
Straight up.
That's some gangster shit. For real. y'all need to know that for real. And think, please think. Even though all of this sounds fun, but think about it, man. It's like, I'm a big dude, so you already know. I'm always make a fat person reference. You know what I'm saying? Big nose big. That's like your mama telling you you can go buy that large pizza and you can have it. And you come home with that large pizza, but before you get ready to enjoy this large pizza that I just said you can have, you can only have a slice, and I need you to go clean your room first.
You go clean your room first.
Right. You only get a slice. Now, mind you, you've been on that whole pizza. You probably could have ate that whole pizza. This is a bad reference. That's like getting some money. You know, people say you win some money. You win a lawsuit, you get, you know, you just settle $50,000 in a lawsuit. You know, and instead of giving you one big lump sum, they give you payments. Why they give you payments? So they can regulate. So you can't spend your money how you really want to spend your money. Because if you got $50,000 trapped in your hand, you might do a little things. I mean, yeah, it's just $50,000.
I'll tell you what.
A lot of people could do a lot with $50,000 because I know I can.
If you send me 5 G's a month, guess what? I ain't gonna use 5 G's a month because I ain't gonna have them many responsibilities. You know what I'm saying?
Right, but they gonna regulate it because they don't want you to have it at one time. Say with $50,000, you might find you a little nice foreclosed home and you can fix up. You know what I'm saying? Get you a decent car. Get your children some food. Invest. Save. You know what I'm saying? Get yourself out of debt. Pay your student loans. You can do all those things with that big lump sum, but they don't want to do that. They want to regulate how much you want to get. They want to give you crumbs so you won't ask for the whole slice of bread, because sometimes you want that whole slice of bread and that slice of bread ain't even there.
But always buy Evangeline Made. Always buy Evangeline Made. Alright?
And you think that legalizing weed just sounds fun everywhere, but ultimately, as it start to be legalized everywhere, they're gonna regulate it. And if they do hallucinogens, they're gonna regulate that too. And if that's not your drug, whatever the drug is of your choice, they're gonna regulate. Hell, they regulate cigarettes and alcohol.
You goddamn right. Guess what? Camels is $10. Camels are $10 a pack.
I don't smoke, but that's a lot.
$10 a pack. So if you smoke 4 packs of Camels in 1 week,
that's $40 fucking dollars.
So you better do your dab, nigga. You better do your dab, nigga.
$10 a pack for real. And then they got didn't they change their name or something? I seen somebody with a pack of Camels and they had a K on there. Still the same Camel though. $10?
$10, my G. But guess what? I could be your plug. If you smoke Camels, get up at me. I could be your plug. I can get them for the low, probably $5. $5. I lied. Maybe $8 because y'all motherfuckers be taxing, so I got a tax on the Camels. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna tax as much as the store be taxing. with the $10. You probably paying like $10.78 or something like that. But
all right, corner
you
store.
You know what I'm saying? I could be the corner store.
I know the corner store do be taxing, boy. That's a good topic. The corner store tax you. Yeah, it's $5 at Walmart, but these pack of batteries is $8 at the corner store.
At the corner, $8 for some batteries that I can get
Regulation.
from the Family Dollar for
Right now, you enjoying that $10 bag, but let me regulate. Let the government regulate. That $10 bag gonna come into a $10 pack, and you gonna probably get like 3 of them in there. Ain't even gonna be worth the whole thing.
Man, that's messed up, man. America. Your daddy is black. Stop acting like that, America.
That's a good point, because if you ask a black daddy for some money, sure, son, I'll give you some money, but this is what you gonna have to do for me before I give you all of this money. And they ain't gonna never give you the whole thing.
Never.
So you enjoying this free time, you enjoying this excitement because these things are becoming legal, but you don't even realize that the more these things become legal, the less control you have. The less control you have to accessing it, the less control you have to even doing that. Now, I'm not saying that it should stay illegal. I mean, really be honest, I think that it's good, but I'm just forewarning y'all. If y'all think this is about to be a big extravaganza where you could just lay up and smoke all day, do what you want, they're going to regulate it. Even when it comes to drug tests, they may not drug test you for it no more, but trust me, if you're doing it on the job, you're still going to lose a damn job. Trust me, because they're going to think you're impaired. It's going to be equivalent to drinking. So even though it seems like everything about to be a blast, all that means is they just about to regulate you.
Well, I feel like this. You can't fire me if I smoke weed on the job. Because I ain't saying that I smoke on the job. I might go on break and leave and go 20 miles away or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm really going 30,000 because once I hit the blunt, I'm gone.
But think about it. They're going to treat that as equivalent to coming to work drunk. You know, if you come to work drunk, they could actually send your ass home or they could fire you.
Well, look, at the same time, really, see, when you're drunk, you're not as motivated to move around as much as you are when you're on that sativa or that indica. See, when you get on that yeast, it make your belly fat and it make you a little lazy. Just a little bit.
But at the same time, some of the people who smoke can't control how they smoke and they act a whole opposite way of regular smokers.
And you right.
They got some people, they done took 2 hits and they feel like they can fly like Superman.
They jumping off everything.
They just went.
I understand that you can't be jumping off the forklift after you. Come on now.
That's how they be for real. Just
come on.
If you at home, try just and fly. It didn't work. I told you.
Before you try, you got to first say up, and away.
But you get what I'm saying. So everything gonna be regulated on your ass. So you think that you gonna be feeling good, but you know they gonna have them ones that can't handle.
Limitations. America, you've been putting limitations on my people for a long time. But why you ain't tell my people that there really are no limits?
Right.
Why? You know what I'm saying? They treat the our Horus as if it's just a symbol.
But they're taking everything that you like and giving it to you with no consequence, but also controlling what you like. You know what I'm saying? You like video games? Here's all the video games. And you can play them, but you can only play them how I say it, how much time I say it, and what you can do after that, after you finish playing with it. And you can only go to this place to go access this. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't like you can go be just out and just frolic in the sun. They still gonna control it. Like California, even though it's legal, you can't just be out in the middle of the street.
Man, I'm gonna be out in the middle of the street. In California, Florida, Miami, Georgia, Maryland, New York, wherever I go, I'm gonna smoke. In the streets, in the ditch, in the church, in your house, on your mama's couch, wherever I go.
Do you have limitations?
I don't, but they do.
Point exactly. We're not saying that it's safe. I mean, that we not saying that it should stay illegal. We're just saying that once it's legal, they gonna try to restrict you.
But you know what I don't like, bro? People always be like,
it's how you control the economic flow.
Oh man, you can't smoke that here and this and that. But I'm like, damn, why I can't smoke that here, man? This shit, it's illegal. Fucking being illegal. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Let me show you why.
Now, what you was saying about they tell you that you can't smoke here is illegal.
Yeah, man. Like, I say for instance, we know what Plank Road at, right here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. You will get your average individual like, oh, you can't smoke. Oh, what you doing? You smoking out on the interstate, on the corner of Evangeline, and Plank Road. Guess what? I don't give a fuck. Because wherever I go, I'm going to light up. Now, if I go to the casino, on the boardwalk, on the levee, I'm going to light up. They're going to be, oh, it's illegal. You're not supposed to be doing. Guess what? Who going to tell me something? If it ain't nobody to tell me something.
It's true.
You know what I'm saying? I'm here already. It's lit up. Once it's gone, it's gone. We about to hide in the car and smoke this shit? No, my nigga. Which would probably be better than a hot box. But I should be able to, if they got people in America, your daddy black, if they got people in America that smoke cigarettes around their young children.
Right.
Come here. That smoke cigarettes around their young children. Guess what?
What?
Guess what? You're killing your children.
What?
You're killing. If they got people in America, your daddy black, that smoke cigarettes around your young children, you're killing your children.
No.
Slowly. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I'm not going somewhere now.
Now, can we go to this cup?
I got you. But like I say, I would rather smoke weed around my children than cigarettes. That's killing my children. You know what I'm saying?
True.
Straight
That's
up.
a strong statement.
Guess what?
I can understand.
Guess what? There are more deaths of alcoholic or individuals than there are with weed individuals.
You got something to eat?
Mm-hmm. Coming.
I'm
You dig what I'm saying?
So,
you feel me? What I'm saying?
I'm about to let Mofo get to his shuffling duties. You know what I'm saying? Man, if y'all enjoyed this, if y'all got any comments or any suggestions, man, feel free to comment down at the box below or email us at kitchentalkfamily@gmail.com. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you again, bro. I appreciate you coming step in for these little segments. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all check out y'all Daddy Black coming soon. Follow my boy Mofo on Instagram, Mofo Shots. Follow him on YouTube, Mofo Shots. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you, brother.
Hey, America, your daddy black. Don't forget that.
Yeah. Lady SG. I'ma talk a little shit, look. Look. I'ma switch it up just a little. Too many you fake bitches keep lying, claiming you realer. Acting like you ain't no duck up, them stupid behind a nigga. You gave a nigga your taxes, he spent it instead of flipping it. I ain't got time for you fake assholes. Talking all loud, I ain't hearing you though. You say your pussy ain't free, but you ain't selling it though. You say you get it from your mama, when we know she a hoe. You know I'm the G-Mix queen. I don't think I'm all that, but I'm pretty as I can be. I don't drug and I still got some virgin pussy. You in the mall with your nigga and he steady looking. I don't want be none of you whack bitches. Be wearing them whack inches. Ain't none of your bills paid. You stay in the next business. Keep running your dick suck. I'll smack your ass up. Ain't running behind no nigga. I'm running my bag up, bitch. If I want Birkin, Gucci, Fendi, I can buy it all. I'm in the mall with your nigga ballin' like a dog. The same mall he was looking, ignoring your calls. I get money and I'm still keeping all my draws. Who fucking with me? Name one. You can't, huh? It ain't none. A boss bitch, you ain't one. I'm getting money, you can't, huh? My hair long, my stress down. I drink water my way up. I fight good, my pussy facts official, and you sing ho. Act up, you'll get smashed up. I'ma do a whole bag. Watch me run it back up. You'll get back down, acting like you bought that. You thinking you iron chest, Charlie, get your skull cracked. I'm after the revenue. I'm like 10 steps ahead of you. Keep in mind how you talking. I ain't timid or scared of you. I ain't never been pussy, my pussy never been tied. Bitch, you lie, you know your bills never paid on time. Act up, you'll get smashed up. Act up, you'll get smashed up. Act up, you'll get smashed up. Haha, lady G-Mix. Look, right now I'm more than ever. I'm focused, got diamonds looking like glitter. They shining, I know you know. You can only do what you can, but I'm gonna do what I wanna. I act up in bed different than acting out in the public. Keep one in the head, ain't no telling now who my enemy. Don't like me for no reason, sneak this me, but never mention me. Nigga might be for everybody, not having me. You can have fun with the bitch, comparing me is embarrassing. I'm with what you with, money, my numbers legit. Care for my kids and I bring house and house, I bust down a brick. Whipping the wrist, flipping it quick, you know I like to talk shit. Only pussy between my legs, I smash me a bitch. Look, I'm really retarded, in my city the hardest. Don't hang with these messy bitches, it's just me and my 40. I can call a few steppers that love me like my daughter. Hands official aside to line your ass up like a barber. For any bitch who won't fight me, I ain't touching none of you bums. Ain't got no reason not to like me, you still follow me, huh? Got 100-some-thousand followers, you popular, huh? You just doing it for the gram, bitch, what you popular for? Act up, you'll get smashed up. Act up, you'll get smashed up. Act up, you'll get smashed up. Period.
Oh, I was hoping I would catch you up in here.
And we are back, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that break. We're about to turn over to the reins of the show to my girl, Big Stay Winning. What you got for us today?
Today my topic is how do you stay faithful in a room full of hoes?
How do you stay faithful in a room full of hoes? I'm about to go ahead and just...
Well, honestly, I've been single for a little while now, so I don't know what you mean by being faithful. I really don't. But let me imagine myself in a relationship. How would I be faithful? Pretty much, when I step out, no matter what I'm doing, I'm promoting comedy, I'm drumming, welfare rich entertainment, no matter what I'm doing, I keep my mind focused on that. I got my woman at home, but that's what I'm doing it for. I'm doing it for the future family that we're trying to have. We're trying to build an empire. And even though our career paths may be different, home base is what really matters the most. And so to stay faithful is just to keep my mind on her. Even when I see her, I'm like, ooh, I got a kid, you know, I just had that thought. Ooh, she a kid, she don't look at the woman. But it's black though. She got dog, you know, she got draws, short.
So you're gonna have your thoughts and let them pass.
Yeah. I mean, I'm a man. I ain't gonna lie to you, like I'm not gonna look. I'd be gay not to look. I'm just be real. I'd rather look. You know what I'm saying? Can't get in trouble for looking. Now, if I speak, that'd be something different. But how do you stay faithful in food for the male audience? That's what I want to know.
Okay, so let me ask the question first. How I stay faithful? Go ahead, sis.
Sorry.
I'm gonna edit you out with your cute ass. Stay faithful in a room full of hoes. I have tunnel vision, really. Like, I see people, I may smile, I may speak just because I'm a nice, upbeat person most of the time. But I'm not focused on that because nobody can offer me nothing but penis and, you know, that come a dime a dozen. So it's not nothing to really pass up. But the real reason I asked this question was not for the regular staying faithful in a room full of hoes, but it was kind of like what you say, you just stay focused. So what I really was saying was like, when you got a whole bunch of stuff going on, let's say you have a whole lot of problems, but you have this vision or you have this goal, how do you stay faithful to that vision? How do you keep the goals going? And like you said, you basically gotta have tunnel vision. You gotta remember what you're doing for, going back home and what you're trying to build. Because like, just like, let's say the holes is just obstacles. So holes is just obstacles. Holes is obstacles in a relationship, and the holes is also obstacles as far as things that hold you back from reaching your goals and things that put a damper on your plans or things that make you miserable. So I feel like when you stay faithful with your partner, it's just like staying focused on your goals. You gotta have tunnel vision. You gotta be looking. You gotta be focused and knowing what you're going there for, and that everything else that's shiny and glitter is not what the goal is. It's not gonna get you what you're trying to get.
Well, when it comes down to my goals, my visuals, one thing that I do tend to do, I tend to prioritize what I'm trying to do. You know, I learned that from you know, back Family Road, you know, organization, you know, it helps you out. It helps you out a lot. Like when you're trying to get goals accomplished, sometimes you got to attack multiple goals at one time.
Right.
But when you focus on and you prioritize what's the most important to least important, and then which ones you can work at the same time, and on certain days I do this, certain days I do that, eventually you get all that shit taken care of, and your goal, it'll just come. Everything will come. Don't never give up. That's number one rule for Mitch. You don't remember nothing I ever said. Don't give up. Do not give up. Do not give up. Like she just said, keep going. Just keep going. Just like Nike, just do it. Even when it feel like everything falling apart, when people feel like when you feel like people are not coming to your defense or your support as you may need them to. You know, sometimes you gotta walk this thing along. You know what I'm saying? real quick, an old church song. They said, "I don't feel no waste time." Nobody. I come too far to turn back from where I started from. Nobody told me the road would be easy. I don't believe I came this far for God to lead me, pretty much.
Right.
And with that in mind, I mean, just stay focused. No matter how hard it get, how stressful it get, stay focused, and it's gonna come to pass. I promise you.
Right, I feel the same way. Like recently this week, like I just have so many things that I want to get in order in my life. And I was like, Vic, you need to write a list. Vic, you need to prioritize the list. Vic, you need to work your way down the list. Like, don't get overwhelmed. Don't look at all the holes at one time. Focus on the main goal. Focus on the main hole. Your significant other, and just the goal. And just focus on that. You have to just stay laser focused. Like I was talking to this guy the other day at the bus stop, and he was talking about being in a relationship and, you know, also looking around and like talking about having friends. And I'm like, you can't be in a serious relationship and have friends. You have to be laser focused, because if I'm in a serious relationship with this one person, and then on the side I'm giving this other person conversation, or I'm giving this other person time, or I'm giving this other person anything else, I'm taking away from the main relationship. Just like if I have a goal and I just try to go out and party and move around and do moves, I'm gonna lose the goal, I'm gonna lose my focus. I may still get the goal in the end, but it's gonna take me a longer time because I haven't been putting forth all my effort into this one thing.
Most definitely. Piggyback off that, it's a situation that I learned in business. Before my cousin died, long live Rob, he taught me this thing. He said, you want to accomplish things at a fast rate, keep it in teams. Write down 10 goals and attack them goals. Have deadlines by each goal. And then I want to piggyback that and put it into a relationship. If y'all want to build y'all empire, y'all home, and want to make sure the cheating is not there, you're faithful when it's a bunch of hoes around, you know, what you do is you write out 10 goals that y'all trying to accomplish. Not 10 bad things that you don't like about your partner. Not 10 things you want your partners to change. No. Write down 10 goals that y'all want to accomplish together, whether it be physically we doing it together or what we doing outside the house going eventually come back and make the goal on this paper come together for the household. And write out 10 goals. And after y'all come to them 10 goals, write out 10 more. After them 10, write out 10 more. And just keep going. I promise you, you're going to see your finances grow together. You're going to see everything you want in your house grow together. The cars you want going to eventually be sitting outside. The love that you want for your spouse will eventually be there because y'all thinking with the family in mind. Y'all moving with a different mind frame instead of thinking I, me. You thinking we, us, but then again you think about home, which is the most important thing is taking care of home. I think I'm giving out too much game. You know, from using the game to be sold, and I told you. I think I'm giving out too much right now.
Well, we selling it right now.
Oh, we selling it.
We selling it right now.
Hey,
so you're straight.
$9.99.
But no, like you said, if you go with your partner, you write down 10 goals for your family. You write down 10 more goals. You write down 10 more goals. It gives you something to do. Like a relationship is more than just having sex, eating out with each other, going on dates. If you're gonna really build a relationship and build a family and a foundation, you need to have goals. Not goals separate. You need to have goals separately as an individual, but also goals together, like D-Mitch said. Like you need to be working on it. If you don't have goals together as a couple, you're gonna get bored. You're gonna feel like you're complacent, like nothing's going together.
I just got through writing my goals down. I ain't had nothing to say. I just wrote down my goals. I can't tell you how to be faithful because hell, we all make mistakes and sometimes we don't. Hey, you know what I'm saying? This is all about your mental mind. You know, and all depends on what y'all agreement is. You know, hey, I ain't really got nothing on it. Man, what's up?
Great time.
Yeah, I had the church, you know, it got too deep for my chest. And I got stressed. Anyway, man. We gonna be back, man. Check out some more music, man. Enjoy this break. We out of here. All right, Kitchen Talk Baton Rouge. And if you like this, comment. When we go to break,
Right there.
Comment.
put it in there. Put it in right there. Put it in
Right
there.
there.
Right there.
Subscribe. What we talking about Megan this time?
You know I handle business. So why don't you take a break, go handle some yourself, and we'll be right back.
I done it. I just found a way to travel back through time. See, I watched Endgame, and then I realized after Endgame that it could be done. Y'all ready? Let's go. Minutes or less.
As y'all can see, we here at 31st Century Styles filming. I'm gonna just show y'all around a little bit. This is, you know what I'm saying, everything going on. What's happening, what's happening? Shout out to the 31st Century Style crew. Yeah, my girl Crack. I don't know if y'all followed Crack. She said no, I'm gonna block out. See, now you can't see who that is. Man, my girl Crack, y'all seen her for the outside word.
Y'all get my shirts. Dope Backwards, EPOD.
Oh man. Oh man. So look, check this out. While I'm sitting here at 31st Century Styles, before we get on back to the show, I got an announcement to make. Whatever the hell you doing in Baton Rouge, July 27, 2019, come here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have a night with Chef and friends. We're gonna have some comedians, a good time, and I'm gonna be closing out. You already know how it go. It's been a minute since I did a show, but now that y'all asked about it, y'all got a show, folks. July 27th, be here. I'm gonna put the address in the tab. Y'all already know how it go. We getting back to the show, folks. Alright, guys. Shout out to 31st Century Styles, aka Whoa, you okay over there? First of all, shout out. I like to thank 31st Century Styles. I like to thank 31st Century Styles, aka the LOL Warehouse, for letting us come and film here today. My girl Frank, my homie Craig, my girl Glow over there, everybody doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? I like to appreciate you, Mitch, Big State Winning, and my homeboy Duke come and represent. So you say you are the nephew of Jacob Snake?
I'm cousin to Jake Roberts.
He is cousins with Jake, the mother effing Snake, and I'm a wrestling fan, so y'all already know we gonna be chatting up. Anyways, y'all can follow us at Kitchen Talk Baton Rouge on Instagram. Y'all can email us at kitchentalkfamily@gmail.com. Hit up D Mitch on Instagram. Hit up Big Stick.
Crack, this nigga don't
You know what I'm saying? I'll give you this, by the way. Y'all can look me up, Chef724. Yeah, Chef724 on Instagram as well. Y'all know how we wrap up the show. The knowledge in y'all hands. Keep it close to y'all. My brother Craig right there. You know what I'm saying? And to end this, as we always end this, God bless the cook and have mercy on the what, folks?
Dishwasher.
And we out. Thank y'all for coming out. Kitchen Talk. Peace.
Hey, Chef, what you cooking later? I'm home.
I'm going to cook some street tacos when I get home.
I'm going to your house.